At your service, mastering politeness in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and polite phrase in the English language. I'm at your service. This expression is all about offering help and showing readiness to assist someone. It's a fantastic way to enhance your English speaking skills, especially if you want to sound more polite and courteous. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, "I'm at your service," is a formal and polite way of expressing that you are available to help or assist someone. It implies that you are ready and willing to provide whatever service or support the person might need. This phrase is often used in professional settings, such as in hotels or shops, where employees might use it to show their eagerness to assist customers. However, it can also be used in personal contexts to offer help to friends or family in a respectful and courteous manner. In professional situations, in professional environments, saying, "I'm at your service," can make you appear more approachable and dedicated. It's especially useful in customer service roles or when you're in a position to assist clients or colleagues. For example, after explaining how a particular service works, you might conclude with, "If you have any more questions, I'm at your service." In personal interactions, while it's more formal, you can still use "I'm at your service" in personal situations to add a touch of humor or to show deep respect and willingness to help. For example, if a friend is moving house and you want to offer your assistance, you might say, "I'm at your service for any heavy lifting or packing you need help with." If you find "I'm at your service" too formal for everyday use, there are several other ways to express your willingness to help. Here are a few alternatives. How can I help? A straightforward and friendly way to offer assistance. "I'm here for you." This shows support and readiness to assist in a more personal and emotional context. "Just let me know what you need." A casual and flexible offer of help. "Happy to assist in any way I can." This conveys eagerness and a positive attitude towards helping. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "I'm at your service." We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how to use this polite and formal expression in both your professional and personal life. Remember, offering help and showing readiness to assist others is not just about the words you use but also about the willingness to support those around you. So, don't hesitate to use "I'm at your service" or any of its alternatives to communicate your eagerness to help. Thank you for watching, and as always, we're at your service for any questions or further learning you might need. See you in our next video.